I've been missing, I just been busy, you know. I just been busy. Shit, you know, gotta get this money, you know. So boom, I'm gonna try to make y'all a good video today. You know, I got some shit I gotta get done with this car. I just put another tune in it, and let's see how it drive. You know, the shit been tripping lately. I got some issues with the O2 sensor, so I gotta change those. That shit making the car get too much fuel. I ain't trying to get too technical, but I tune cars, you know, so I got a habit of making shit sound too technical, you know what I'm saying? But we're gonna see how it feel. I'm gonna get up out of here early morning. Let me see if I can make it to Chick-fil-A. Give me some Chick-fil-A breakfast. So shit, I got about, how much, 20 minutes to get there? Shit. I like that spicy chicken biscuit. Oh man, that shit fire, boy. If y'all don't know nothing about it, boy, you missing out. That spicy chicken sandwich, not spicy chicken sandwich, that spicy biscuit, that's where it's at. Let's see how it react, cause I couldn't really get on the gas. It'll sputter, you know, cause it was either adding too much gas or taking too much gas out of the system. So that's what the O2 system do. So it was tripping. So if the tune I put in there to remove it is good, I should be able to get on the gas. So let me see. Oh shit. Okay. Y'all see that? Got a little sideways though. I ain't even trying to do that. Okay, so obviously it's doing pretty good right now. God damn. I ain't expect that. When that thing slide without you wanting to slide, shit, you gotta be a driver. On-demand driver, shit. God damn. That's some shit there, boy. If you a non-driver, hey, that shit shot to the left real quick. Hey, listen. If you ain't no driver, you the wreck. If you ain't no driver, you the wreck. Cause I got my baby tuned to perfection. So the only thing I did with the tune that I just updated to it was I removed the computer ability to add and remove gas based off of the O2 sensor. So, but beyond all that, man, how y'all doing, man? It been raining down here for the longest, you know what I'm saying? I don't really like driving my car in the rain. This shit too dangerous in the rain. I had got on it last night because I was in a rush. So I got on it last night. I was like doing it was like 78. Yeah, I remember that shit. It got scary. It was about like 78, and I had jumped on it. Cause I'm not thinking the car it'll slide at that speed, you know what I'm saying? But I forgot. My shit is tuned, and I got some work done too, whatever the case may be. Man, 78, the car done shot to the left. Aggressively. So, I know how to drive and all, but shit, not at that speed. Not at that speed, though. Hey, my heart was in my ass, but I ain't gonna lie to you. I can't lie to y'all. I was scared. Scared. Shit, I damn near was gonna scream on some bitch shit, cause hey, never that, but what? Oh, man, you doing by 80 and the car gets sideways on you. You don't know what to do, you know? Yeah, I ain't gonna lie to you, damn, my keys are dropping. It looked down so I could crash, right? Kind of dumbass shit like that. All right, get the keys. Boom. Oh, the camera angle good. Yeah, man. So, she waking up like she's supposed to. I had to do an oil change on the tranny. It's at 5,000 miles now, so 5,000 miles ago, I had put the performance oil in the tranny. So it's time for me to change that, because it'll give me that little rattle that these G6, Gen 6s be having. I don't know if y'all felt that before, but Yeah, man. I got my C10 up in the build. I'm gonna post the videos on it. I got some work I gotta get done to it. A lot of work, not some work. A lot of work that I gotta get done to it. You know, I explained in the other video how that boy got the black out the window. I explained in the other video how I done took the motor out of it about 3 times. Well, I took the motor out of it twice. Actually, no, 3 times, because I had a 305 in it. I built that one first. I don't even know why I built it. The 305 I built, took that out, sold it. I sold the motor and the tranny to some guy in South Carolina. Boom, he did that. Then I had that last that I turboed, the 6.0, the LQ4. I built that up. So I did the pistons. I ain't do too much, but I did enough where the that engine was pushing by 600. Not 600, I'm lying. That engine pushed by 800. So that was moving by 800 with the turbo. I'm just looking at the truck. They just doing crazy shit. So that truck was moving by, you know what I'm saying? That truck was touching about 800. And then, see, I didn't tell the truth about that motor, right? So I built the motor and I built it, but I had a problem with my, not my boost gauge. I knew how much boost I was pushing, but my blow-off valve, that's what, hey, y'all do turbos? Y'all buy the right equipment, man. I bought me an eBay blow-off valve, and that shit did not blow off, and it made the engine take in, at least I think, when I checked the tune, I was about like 32 PSI. 32 PSI, I pushed, I'm being too technical. I ain't really blow the motor, but I blew the motor. All right, boom. I needed new head gaskets and all that shit, so boom. With that tune, I had put on that engine, I put new head gaskets. It ran good again. I sold the motor, boom. I sold that for a little grip. I bought another LQ4. All I did to that one was, I did cam work to it. Cam, point polish. I don't know how much horsepower that was doing, you know, but I sold that motor. And now it's motorless right now. All I got is a transmission, and I built the transmission to handle that turbo. So the transmission, I think it's pretty good, but I don't know. It's been sitting for at least 3 years, so I let my baby die. That shit rusty now. It never had no rust. Now it got rust. So that's my fault right there. You know. Shit, you know. When you got other shit going on, you know. But that was my fault. I started feeling like the truck was a money pit. You know. But money pit or not, I couldn't let it go. So I broke it down where I'm at now. It's time to get on it. And that's it. Trying to make some moves with it. Let me jump on it real quick. Let me see if it'll let me do it. Make sure there ain't no bullshit. All right, I dropped it down to 6. Y'all ready for it? Okay. It ain't sputtering, it ain't doing that. It's crispy. Okay. That thing crispy. Like it's supposed to be. That thing crispy like it's supposed to be. Yeah, I know if y'all double tap the pedal, it'll downshift, right? Look, I'm gonna tap. So I guess maybe on low speeds, I guess. I don't know why this car trying to race me. Y'all see him? He played too goddamn much. I don't know what the hell be going on with these bullshit ass cars, dog. Let me get his motherfucking ass out of here. Oh, I gotta get gas. I think I can make it. I don't feel like stopping. I hear them pops and bangs. I hear that. What we looking at? How you feel about that? Woo. Drive slow, huh? See shit like this, I don't like. You just holding up traffic, huh? For what? For what reason? I think they do it on purpose. I swear they is. Bitch ass Hyundai. Bitch, get your dumb ass out the way. Look at that same car right here, thinking they finna hit something. Ah! Blue car, I don't know if y'all can see it, but I'm gonna have to spank him real quick just to get to him. For some reason, he think he some kind of competition or some shit. I don't be understanding these people, dog. Oh, police out here, boy. And the gas now playing with this motherfucker. Man. But y'all stay tuned though, dog. I'm trying to make sure I make some valuable content for y'all. Today was just a drive home and tell y'all what I got planned. You know, I gotta fix some shit on this car. I gotta build my truck. So y'all let me know in the comments below. I got another channel too, where I show people how to tune. So let me know if y'all want me to just put a hint, throw a little sprinkles of tuning in here. You know what I'm saying? Whatever, but you know, y'all stay tuned for more content. Y'all gonna see me whipping other whips. Police up front, so I'm done with driving fast around here. They out here today. I seen a moto out here pulling people over, so they got the car right there. So I guess if y'all ain't know today Tuesday, I don't know if y'all city do that too, but you know, Tuesdays and Thursdays, TNT, that's when Jump Out be out as a thing. If y'all ain't know, y'all gonna see Tuesdays and Thursdays is when police really be out. It's called TNT. So just in case y'all didn't know, now you know. Especially if you got a city where it be hot, oh man, TNT for real. You know, shit. But y'all stay tuned. I appreciate y'all for sticking with your boy. Your boy AP out. Mi gente. I'm out of here. Y'all know I had to update y'all real quick. Your boy made it to Chick-fil-A. Your boy made it to Chick-fil-A. So 20 minutes, your boy did that. A little bit of orange juice, you already know. That's all I want to say. Your boy made the Chick-fil-A. All right, I'm out again.